A cold rain is drizzling on the main square of Zagreb. But inside the festival tent, the atmosphere is getting warmer by the minute.
Our
society organises this carnival show called the Carnival Story. Aside from the best Croatian dance teams, we invited genuine Brazilian dancers. This is the Zambra group of Paradox Dance Company. The age range is wide, from 18 to 36. We train every week. It's quite demanding. Our stage appearances are an opportunity to show what we have learnt. Tina manages an Irish dance school called Riona. I founded the school 3 years ago, but I've been dancing Irish dances for 11 years. The Rhyme Orchestra comes from Macedonia, is a frequent guest at parties. We play Macedonian, Roma, International, Balkans and Croatian music. The Brazilian carnival dances are the main attraction.
I take from Brazil more or less 1,200 girls till now. Everybody which is with me here today are from Brazil, from many parts of Brazil. Someone from Amazonas, someone from Salvador, Bahia, Brazil.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Maria Maris Edrais from Salvador. We're here to show a bit of our culture and our festivals. We try to spread positive and good energy. Good evening all. My name is Eloisa Nascimento. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Vitória, Espírito Santo. We brought our energy here to show some of the carnival atmosphere from Brazil. For one night only, birds of paradise flew through Zagreb.